Sorry, I was trying to do the press release noise. Yeah, I'm no beatbox, that's for sure. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here versus his nemesis tape. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns. Any and everything down below. I do love having the PEZ book channel. Let me tell you about it. I just did. Now then. Oh, this is so cool. Here is the Zep gun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. So, this is a toy gun, the machine gun, made in China. You can see here there is a chunk that's cut out of it. And then see the innards. Let's see, how do you cock this thing? I don't even know how this thing works. I think the spring may have sprung. But regardless, I am going to take this to somebody that knows way more about these. In fact, let's do that right now. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here at the Michigan PEZ Convention 2019. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns. Say hi, Eddie. Hi. Eddie and everything down below. Now then. So, Steve Glue, he is in PEZ Outlaw, and, look, I found a Steve Glue. And so since he is here, I wanted to do a little press release here. There are these guns you may or may have not seen, and these are called Zep guns. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so...
backwards so that I wouldn't get in trouble with PEZ Corporation.
Makes a lot of sense.
Everybody does. So I just flipped it and ran.
Yep, and they can't come after you for that because they don't own ZEP.
That and they don't want any part of it.
All right, so I found this gun here, and this gun I asked Steve if it needed to be modified further.
And it does.
And show me how it needs to be modified a little bit further.
Two things need to be done. One, you need to knock out all the rifling-ish, they're pegs in the barrel. Clear it so you get a clean shot like this one John has. The next thing you need to do is once it's been cut, to accept the clip, the final thing you do is you create, using the trigger guard, a perfect fit. Now this one, if we tried to put this in there, it's not going to go. It's about that much wrong. So you take a round file, or a little rat tail would do, and you work it and clean it until you get a perfect fit, like the one John has, like that. For whatever reason, there we are. And it goes in like that, nice and smooth. That's where you get your fit. You do all this stuff, and you can do it rough. The guns come like this, I believe. This is all original, and the cutout is here and here, so the clip will get in far enough. But like I say, you save the trigger guard for last so you can get that good fit, so it goes in smooth and beautiful. And the last thing you do, if you're lucky enough to go to a dollar store and buy one of these guns, they come about that long on a big old card with all kinds of little plastic bullets, which that is one of. I put it on that striker because this striker is too harsh. It's like putting a pickaxe on a PEZ candy. So you put that softer rubber bullet on there so that when you get the strike, it's going to not shatter the candy. It comes out like buckshot.
Yeah.
So, at any rate, that's that there. Anything else? Did I miss something?
You know, I think you did it good. That's such a great creation of making fun with PEZ,
yeah,
and altering something. So
If you, like I say, if you're lucky, you can go to a dollar store and they will have this gun. Kind of imprint that in your mind. The barrel's going to be about that long. That pink thing or orange thing will be way out here. Very colors, but at any rate, and it'll come down. That won't be cut out. And done on the rack, it'll be on a big old blister card. The cartridge that originally went in it, extra bullets, all that. And then you just customize it, and it's very little. Cut, and you could. I actually made the first one with one of them knives that you get.
Like an X-Acto knife?
Yeah, the ones you open up, and they have pliers, they have a file.
Oh, okay, like a Leatherman.
I made, yes, a Leatherman, exactly.
Okay.
And I did everything. I cut it, I did everything. But anyway, they're very easy to make, actually. But after a few, you really do get tired of them.
Well, thank you very much. This again has been the Outlaw, Steve Glue. Sir, if I could shake your hand.
Yeah, buddy.
We appreciate your help very much so in your support of the PEZ book.
You're outstanding.
Thank you. You are too. All right, everybody. So from the Michigan PEZ Convention, until next time.